So we will begin by cutting up the green plantain. We're gonna put it in a pot of water, seasoned with salt to your taste. And we're gonna let this boil about 15 minutes until you see that it's soft. In the meantime, we can start by cutting up our salami, the cheese, and make sure that it is made for frying cheese. And I'm gonna dice up some red onions, and I am going to add vinegar, a little bit, salt, and some olive oil. Now we will drain the plantain and return to the pot, and also reserve some of the water. We will add butter, or you can add olive oil, and add some of the reserved water to make a soft consistency. Now we can fry the salami till it's golden brown. Next we will fry the cheese till it's golden brown. Now we will cook up the onions. And finally the egg. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.